What's up guys, Moniz here, and right in front of me, I think you pretty much know what this is. This is a OnePlus 5T in a brand new color, but I'm not gonna unbox it. No, you can't force me to do something I don't wanna do. I just did it a few weeks ago for the white version. I did it a few weeks before that for the black version. Why should I open up this one for just a brand new color? I'm not gonna do it. It's not gonna happen, but the problem is, I can't control my mind. My body just automatically starts opening up things because it's just its nature. I unbox products, I review tech. Mentally, I don't want to do this. It's a fight right now. I am fighting with my arms not to open up this box, but my body just wants to open it. It wants me to show you what's inside this sweet, lovely packaging. It wants me to rip off this beautiful little plastic and hear the sounds of angels cry. This, my friends, is something I cannot control. But I'll tell you what, I'm not opening up this box. This is as far as I can go. It doesn't matter what I want to do or can't do. It's a tough sickness that I'm going through. It doesn't matter, I can't fight what's right. I can't fight what's inside this box. I gotta see it even though I know already what's inside of here. I need that instant gratification. Whew. Come on, Matt, don't do this. Don't be that guy. Don't be the guy that continues to open up products that you've already seen before, that you've already showed your audience, but in a different color. Why do you have to be that guy? Be somebody new. Be somebody special. Oh, that sweet smell of new products. The sweet smell of a brand new OnePlus 5T. If I pick it up, it's all over. You know it's gonna be all over. Oh, God. The sweet sound of that brand new box talking to me. Wow. Now that is red. That is very red. This is like cherry red. This red is absolutely gorgeous. In fact, it's so shiny that it could possibly blind you. And did you hear that sound of the plastic? Let's just take it off again. That's it right there. That's like two baby seals making love to a trampoline. It just doesn't get any better than that. But this is where the thing stops. This is where the train stops. I'm not going into the package. This is a OnePlus 5T in a beautiful red color. It also comes in white like this one. Do you want red? Do you want white? Or maybe you're a black guy. Maybe you like black, the color black on a smartphone. Then you have that option as well. Not because you are a black guy, that has nothing to do with anything. It's just another color option, black, white, or red. You got choices now, but I'm not going through the rest of the box. There's no way. You don't want to see the paperwork. It's just paperwork. You don't want to look at the charger. Come on, that's just a waste of time. And dash charging? Psh, half of your battery back in 30 minutes. We know this already. I'm not going to show it to you again. Well, I just did. And I couldn't help myself. As much as I tried, it just happened. But I am going to tell you guys what. I'm going to be giving away one of these OnePlus 5Ts. You get to choose which color you want. You can go with the black, you can go with the white, you can go with the red. The biggest difference is that the red and the black are very smooth. The white has this nice rougher texture to it with a beautiful different colored mute switch to give it some pizzazz. Unfortunately, the red is just red. So you got choices, people. Let me know in the comments below which one you want. I'll pick a winner in a couple of weeks and I'll ship it out to you. And let me know how you enjoy your brand new OnePlus 5T. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If it did, hit the like button. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. And as always, I will see you in the next video.